for this video, meron tayong third example sa half-life. Okay, uranium-238 has a half-life of 4.46 times 10 to the 9th years. Estimates of the age of the universe ranges from 9 times 10 to the 9th years to 23 times 10 to the 9th years. This is according to Cauldrons in the Cosmos Nuclear Astrophysics by Rolfs and Rodney in the University of Chicago, 1988, page 477. So we are asked, what fraction of this isotope present at the start of the universe remains today? We have to calculate both the minimum, the maximum, and the median value of 16 times 10 to the 9th years. So we will recall our formula. A final is equal to A sub O times 1/2 raised to time over half-life. So what is given here is our half-life, which is 4.46 times 10 to the 9th years. So check yan, given. The time, binigyan din po tayo ng minimum. Ayan, time, which is 9 times 10 to the 9th years. To maximum time, 23 times 10 to the 9th years, at yung median value. Okay? So, gagawin natin dito, we are to get the final amount. How about our A sub O? Kasi nga hindi po tayo binigyan ng specific na value ng A sub O. So, at yung hinahanap po natin is yung what fraction. So, we will do it in percentage. So, ang gagawin natin dito, so for minimum, lagay natin dito, the final or the remaining amount is equal to A sub O. Gagawin po natin si A sub O na 100%. Okay? So, of course, our initial amount is 100%. Any amount, no, is 100%. Basta, that's an initial amount. Times 1/2 raised to time. So, yung initial amount is, yung time is 9 times, o yung minimum amount is 9 times 10 to the 9th years, okay, over yung ating half-life, which is 4.46 times 10 to the 9th years. Again, yung unit po ng ating time at ating half-life ay dapat po consistent po sila. So, if we will use our calculator, if we will calculate 100, lagay natin dyan, times 1/2, okay? Tapos, that will be raised to, our time is 9 times 10 to the 9th years, at ating half-life is 4.46 times 10 to the 9th years. Okay, so makikita natin dito that our minimum amount po na natitira is 24, what was that? 24.69. Okay, so that's 24.69%. Okay? Tapos is yung ating maximum. So, ilagay natin dito si maximum. Okay, max. Lagay natin dyan. So, sa max, ang time po is 23 times 10 to the 9th years. So, ang mag-iiba lang po dito is yung ating time. Okay, 1/2. So, yung time natin dito is now 23 times 10 to the 9th years. Over half-life. Half-life will not change. Okay? So, use our calculator. Ang i-change lang natin dito is yung ating, ayan, ating time. Okay? Nang time natin is 23 times 10 to the 9th years. So, what remains is 2.8. Okay? 2.8 po percent. Okay? So, sa maximum is 2.8% na lang po from the original value. How about the median value? Okay, so mid. Again natin dito. Median value. So again, what will change is only yung T, yung time. Okay, what is the median? 16 times 10 to the 9th years. Okay, tapos yung half-life is 4.46 times 10 to the 9th years din yan. Okay? Maka-cancel po yung years dyan. So, tingnan natin sa ating calculator. The Time now is 16 times 10 to the 9th years if hindi ako nagkakamali. Ayan. So, equals natin. So, median value is 8.32. Okay? So, 8.32. Yung median amount na natitira. So, yung pinaka-maximum po or sa time na, ayan siya dito, from 9 to 23 years, ito po yung natitira. Okay, 24 to 69% to 2.8%. Ito po ang ating median value, 8.32%.